These are the three biggest mistakes that you can make as a futures trader, especially if you're trading in a prop. One is trading at night. I don't know if you know this, but the stock market is open during the New York session. Well, the futures market opens Sunday at 4 p.m. and closes Friday at 4 p.m. There's 2 hours in the day from, well, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. where the market's closed, right? But you can trade during the Tokyo session and the London session. What I've seen with future traders who trade at night is the price action is so much different because you have a different set of buyers than you do in the New York session. That means the game has changed. And so when you try to apply the same strategy, it might not work as well. The strategy is actually dependent on trading, say, the New York session, like my trading strategy is. So that's number one. Number two is over leveraging your positions, especially when you're trading in low volume situations. Like if you're trading at night and you trade with bigger contracts, like maybe you trade normally 2 contracts and then all of a sudden you decide to use 10 because you know the movement's going to be slower and you're like, okay, well, if it moves 10 points, I want to use 10 contracts and it's like I'm getting 25 points or 30 points, right? That's the worst thing that you can do, especially in a prop firm because you have a lower drawdown. When you see these accounts where you have $50,000 in your account, that doesn't really mean you have $50,000. You have $1,500 in drawdown, meaning if your trade goes against you $1,500, you either blow your funded account or you blow the test that you're trying to pass. And then number three is the revenge trade. You want to know when to stop. Like if you don't have in your plan that you're going to stop after 2 losing trades, then you're going to get in a lot of trouble because those losses are just going to start piling up. And instead of having 2 losses in a row, maybe you're going to have 3, 4, and they're going to get bigger and bigger because you're going to think to yourself, hey, I got to make that up. And instead of making it up, you actually dig yourself in a deeper hole. And if you're on a prop firm, that means blown accounts or losing your funded accounts. If you want to learn my strategy and know how I trade the New York session every single morning with 3 simple steps, it's a momentum trade model. Follow on my TikTok or follow on YouTube. I have a free Discord that you can hop in and get some awesome education from.